Второй класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, бабочка. Часть вторая, страница 4, 5, 6, 7. English, Starlight 2, a butterfly, homework, part number 2, page number 4, 5, 6, 7. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 4, 4. Module number 5, a butterfly. Listen, point to the animals and name them. Exercise number 1. Look and complete the words, then say, it's an elephant. Послушайте, укажите на животных и назовите их. Butterfly, elephant, spider, bird, frog, monkey. Then say, it's an elephant. Подберите подходящее, затем скажите, это слон. It's an elephant. The answer. It's a butterfly. It's a frog. It's a monkey. It's a bird. It's an elephant. It's a spider. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Listen to the song and sing it along. Repeat after me. The little green frog goes la-di-da-di-da. La-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. The little green frog goes la-di-da-di-da. And it can jump and swim. The little bluebird goes la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. The little bluebird goes la-di-da-di-da. And it can fly and sing. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 5. 5. Exercise number 3. What can the animals do? What can't they do? Look and put tick and a cross. Then say, a bird can, but it can't. Что могут делать животные? Что они не умеют? Look and say, a bird can, but it can't. The answer. A bird can fly, but it can't run. A spider can run, but it can't swim. A frog can jump, but it can't draw. A butterfly can fly, but it can't run. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Use the templates to make the spinners. Play with your friend. Используйте шаблоны, чтобы сделать волчки. Играйте со своим другом. A bird can't swim, That's right. The answer. A butterfly can't run. That's right. A frog can't fly. That's right. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 6. Шестая. Listen, point to the numbers and say, exercise number 1 complete, then listen and sing. Получаете, покажите на числа и скажите. Заполните, затем послушайте и спойте. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The answer. A bird has got 2 legs. One bird, 2 legs. 6 birds, 12 legs. A spider has got 8 legs. One spider, 8 legs. 2 spiders, 16 legs. An elephant has got 4 legs. One elephant, 4 legs. 5 elephants, 20 legs. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. How many legs? Count and say. A frog has got legs. 4 frogs have got. Сколько ног? Посчитайте и скажите. The answer. One frog has got 4 legs. 4 frogs have got 16 legs. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 7. Exercise number 3. Listen and join. Then color. Thirteen, 11, 18, 14, 12, 15, 17, 19, 20, 16. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Choose 2 different numbers each time and complete. Then point and say, and is 20. Выбирайте каждый раз 2 разных числа и заполняйте их в тетрадях. Затем укажите и скажите. 3 and 17 is 20. 4 and 16 is 20. 15 and 5 is 20. 7 and 13 is 20. 2 and 18 is 20. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. So blue in the sky, even my name is so clear. Butterfly, flower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at
forget. Climb in the bed. Wonderful dance. Look at me once.